Here we go again. It was February 9th, a month ago, we had a blizzard, and can you believe it? It's March 8th, and we're getting racked, and it hasn't stopped snowing for over 12 hours. I can't even open my back door. Oh, let me get out here. Oh my God. Jeez. Look at this. There's gotta be a foot here. Well, I got 2 feet. But look at this, my roof. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful snow. Here's my shovel. Just sitting here. I'm not going to shovel right now. I'm just going to go down the back stairs if I don't fall. Just snowing over 12 hours. You can't even see the city from here. Downtown. Through those streets. Usually you can see them. But look at this. Wow. Up to my knees right here. Wait till you see this. It's up to my knees. Look at that. And the snow just keeps falling. I think they miscalculated. I'll tell you what, the backyard looks beautiful when we have snow. Oh, I just knocked the snow off the railing. Look at how high it gets on the railing. Here's my car, my truck full of snow. I'm going to make my way through the backyard here. My Ford Explorer is full of snow. Let it sit there. I can't believe there's no cars in here. My cousin and his wife went to work this morning. Oh, boy. The wind blew the snow over here already. And my boys are out here now, shoveling as usual. Let me go over and see Paul and see how he's doing. You're here early today, Paul.
Yeah.
I see you helping someone push out their car over there before.
Yeah,
It was just a month ago we did this. Look, we're getting whacked again. It's March.
I know, tell me about it, but I'm stuck right now, so I'm just going to take off and come back.
You know, February 2nd, that groundhog came out and he didn't see a shadow.
Did he?
And he said there was going to only be 2 more weeks of winter.
Really?
What does he know, right?
Yeah, no kidding.
It's been like 5 weeks later.
All the hell, it's not long for living in this part of the country.
All right. Let me roll over here and see. Let me see what Blaine's doing. He's over here shoveling himself out.
This guy's gonna fuck me.
What's he gonna do?
Pull in here and fuck all my snow up with his hammer.
Yes, who is he? The landlord?
Cousin.
His cousin? We got a Hummer coming in here.
Where's the fucking plow guy?
They forgot the plow?
Yeah, you got it a little bit, buddy.
Huh?
What's up with the snow, huh? There's a lot of fucking snow, dude.
How are ya?
Good.
You wish you were in Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, where it's hot?
Puerto Rico, man.
Puerto Rico, it's hot. What is it, 100 degrees right now?
Hola, Dominican.
Say hello to Puerto Rico. They're going to see this. They're going to see it on YouTube. Hello.
Hello.
Say hello to your family.
Just fucking thinking the snow guy.
All right.
No.
I see you're enjoying the snow. I'll catch you later. I'm going to go make a... Here we are, Wall Street again. Only I'm going to do a different route here. I should have put a piece of plastic over this camera because it's getting wet. I hope it doesn't get ruined. Look at this. March 8th, 2013. Here we are, Chrome Street. Somebody using a snowblower. Comes in handy. That's Franny's house, the first house here, the yellow one. But people shoveling out, and it's still snowing. Oh, there's a van just swerved over there. We just caught it in a sideswipe. The streets people should stay off the streets. I'm telling you, you can't drive on these streets right now. I had a bit of watch out, no cars come from behind me. Here's Joe and Pina's Conti's new restaurant that'll be open soon. Everybody has to come here. It's great inside. It's magnificent. It's beautiful. All done over. It's just like you're in Italy. Mare e Monte Trattoria. I can't wait for the opening night. There's going to be hundreds and hundreds of people here for the opening night. He did a magnificent job with this building. He done all the work himself. Here we go. Here comes Paul. Here comes Paul, the guy we were just talking to. He's leaving. We're going to go up Wall Street. And that's Wall Street. But I ain't going up the top of there because people are slipping and sliding away. As you can see, the snow is just crazy. There's the famous John and Sons Market. Been here for over 60 years. Different owners. Still going. I'm going to take a walk down here, Suffolk Street. And you can see nobody's out today because this is a brutal storm, this one. The roads are slippery. It's snowing. This is New England for all you people in hot weather year round. You don't know what you're missing. You can't fly in now to come and see it. You have to wait till after. Or come before the storm. That's right. Wait till you see this beautiful, beautiful high. Looks like a pine tree. Oh my God, look how high that tree is. Snow on it, doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, I got the snow blowing in my face. Now this house on the corner here was the famous Ray Tonelli's house that he grew up in. Ray Tonelli did everything, a lot of things. Actor, singer, operas, painter, invented touch color for the blind, was blind himself. He was a great guy. He passed away a couple of years ago. 78 years old. 80, something like that. Grew up here all his life. Here we got a car coming down, gonna make sure it doesn't slip. Some of these new cars, they come with four-wheel drive, I believe. 53 Suffolk Street. Here I am going down old Suffolk Street, that's right. This is magnificent here. I'm walking in a storm. There's a car, put up your windshield wipers, that's a smart thing to do, so they don't freeze up on your windshield, and you can't open them, and they break. Oh, Vincent's parking lot. Look at one of his parking lots, full of snow. Everything's getting buried in. Here's Worcester's famous Vincent's nightclub. Every Thursday night you can see Cara Brindisi, great singer, play here. Place is small, like a shoebox, but they pack them in. Let me get on Suffolk Street here, some more. I must be crazy to be out here, but I want to get this done. There's Vincent's other parking lot, driveway snowed in, and here comes a car trying to come up here, but I better get out of the way. I better back up a little bit so I don't get in the way in case this car slides. Oh, he's got his left blinker on. I don't know where he's going. Trying to get in his driveway. Maybe I should go under this famous tunnel that goes to the back parking lot of these old buildings right here. Isn't that something? Very rare, very rare in a building, a tunnel like this. Come on, stay alone. I don't know why they're stopping. I'm not going, oh, they're going out. Somebody's going out. Okay. This must be the owner of Vincent's. How you liking the storm?
I hate it.
Were you going to work?
No, I'm going in to have a cut.
You're going to have a cut?
Yeah.
Where's he going?
He's going to get cigarettes.
And he's coming back?
Yeah, probably.
Don't they got cigarettes in there?
No.
Wow, they sell booze, but they sell booze, but they don't sell cigarettes.
Not that I know of.
This is going to be on YouTube.
It is not.
It is.
No.
You're a movie star now.
No.
The whole world's going to, oh, that's a beautiful spot.
Do I have to give you a release or something?
No, I'll probably have to pay you royalties.
Excellent. Yeah, hit it.
I'll see you later.
Bye.
Oh, let's get a little glimpse of Vincent in there. Yeah, that was a beautiful picture when she turned and looked out on the Vincent sign. Oh boy, I'm going to show you these buildings on the left where that tunnel was when I go by. Wait till you see these buildings that one time had a lot of companies here back in the day. Oh, and they're all gone now. Hello! Hey, hello! You look like you was scared, wanted for something. Hey, what are you putting that camera on me for? Huh? They might see me in another country where I'm wanted. Oh, look at the David Clock parking lot. Unbelievable. People showed up for work. I think that's the second time I said unbelievable. Whoa. I mean, Westerman's, he's got his plow here today. Famous Westerman's in Worcester. People come from all over the country to buy restaurant equipment here. But look at the building. Look at the building. Look how big this building is. It's humongous. This is one time, all these buildings back here housed companies, plastic companies, all kinds of places you can get jobs. Oh yeah. And this is the famous David Clock parking lot. Okay, on the right. All the employees went to work today. I can't believe it. They showed up. Hello, how you doing? Are you braving it?
Oh, I'm staying right here.
Everybody came to work today. I don't understand it. No day off?
That was supposed to be only 3 inches. What the hell is that?
What do they and that groundhog know?
Yeah, right.
Woo! And this is David Clock Company. Famous David Clock Company in the world that makes spacesuits for NASA and for the military Air Force. They always get they're always on top of everything. Got their plows out here shoveling.
Come on!
Tell them. What's going on here?
We'll run the tractor.
Oh boy. One time this building here used to house the famous Pignataro's Bakery. Yeah. And now we got a car coming. Pignataro's Bakery there for many years before they closed down like a lot of other places. Let's see what this car's doing. How you doing? And here I think he's going into Cicero's. Everybody knows Cicero's, boy. Here's a great bar over here. Cicero's been here a long time. I grew up with Jackie Cicero, trained with him in the boxing gym, the Iceman, Jimmy. Remember his father well. Hey, let me see who's going. Who's this? You going to have a drink?
No, I'm going for the light.
Who's that? My old school friend who used to beat me up in junior high and take my lunch money.
True. I never
Come on, O'Leary. Come on.
O'Leary, I'm French, not Irish.
Ah.
Not me.
Remember junior high? It was great, huh?
Yes, but I always stuck up for everybody like
I know you did. Everybody's gone.
that. I know people more gone than are here.
Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to the world.
You too. I didn't want to be on there.
All right. They won't remember you. I'll see you later.
All right.
Oh boy, what do we got down here? We got a FedEx truck stuck or something? We got a car sliding, trying to get up the tip of Suffolk Street from Franklin. There's David Clark. Corner of Franklin and Suffolk. There we go, here we go, here we go. The FedEx truck is stuck. He's trying to shovel out. What has he got, snowing? What is he trying to deliver snow? Woo! How are we doing here, FedEx? You're not supposed to be stuck.
I know.
Is this beautiful?
No, beautiful.
Which one's better, this one or last month?
Last month.
I don't know.
They're all a pain in the butt, aren't they? But there's nothing like snow weather. Say hello to the world. Say hello to your FedEx world. This is going to be on YouTube. And I got a guy here, stuck. You going to go back? That'd be the smart thing to do.
Yep.
Are you Brazilian?
Yes.
Oi, como vai?
Tranquilo.
Você está bom? Muito neve?
Muita neve, porra.
Say hello to people in Brazil. Where are you from in Brazil?
Goiás, Minas Gerais.
Oh, tell them they're going to come to America and get some snow. Tell them more neve.
Amo a neve, não amo. I hate.
You hate the neve?
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, look.
No heavy neve in Brazil?
Never.
Nada. Summer?
All the time.
Look at the snow blowing like this. This building here was a famous Al Scola market.
Truck. I can't go out. I can't go out for work.
Oh, you say Al Scola?
Yeah.
Oh, so hurrah.
I can't.
Why, they ain't got no money? Oh, you should be able to pull that right out. No, it's good. Come on. No, it's not that much high. Have you tried?
I tried.
No good?
Oh.
Wow. I had a 70 Dodge Dart that would get out of snow higher than that. Boy, that thing was like a tank. Look at this, the famous Al Scola market. Gone a long time ago. And here we are, Norfolk Street. Look at up the hill. Unbelievable. Ray Luso's market, you see up there? I wonder if that's my buddy Murphy up there. Is that you, Murphy? Is that Murphy? Wow, what do we got? A trailer truck stuck here? What's going on here? It's gonna make me want to do. I don't think that's Murphy. Murphy the postman. Where you going? Don't go running in this garage, Murph. She closed the garage door. See, I knew you were closing the garage door. My buddy Murphy don't want to talk to me. He'll come out after I leave. He's photo shy. Look at this car. Look at Franklin Street. Oh my God. FedEx truck. Stuck. Ain't going nowhere. Everybody thinks, oh, look, you think you're going to go up this street here? Forget it. Tires are spinning. Go ahead, hit the FedEx truck. There's another one. Look, the trailer truck is stuck. He's stuck. Hey! Look at him. He's trying to get the truck to move up, but it's not going to work. He's slowly moving the truck up. They don't know what that means. Right there, that sign. Stop. You can't see me. Oh, look at this. Look at this car here. Let's see what he does. Let's see what he does. He's going to go back. There goes a linen truck. There's a Brazilian guy trying to dig out the FedEx lady. He should get free delivery packages for a year. I'd help, but I'd have to put down the camera and shut it off. You won't see anything. Look, he's turning around and going back over the new bridge. The new Franklin Street Bridge. The one with one sidewalk on the right, no sidewalk on the left. I don't know what they designed that. And here comes a linen truck. I don't know where he thinks he's going. Whoa, you almost took a spill there. It's not good, buddy. You're going to flip over. Yeah, go back that way. Oh, he's going to try to make the hill? Hello. Let's see, is he going to make the hill? Oh, he's going to skid right into that car. I think he's going to roll back down. I can't even see. There he is right there. Oh, look at this. He's going right into the house. Oh my God. He lost control. He's going to try to turn around. Luckily he didn't hit anything. People are crazy. He's trying hard. Back up, back down, slow, oh, slow, slow, slow. Come on back down. Oh, the show's on now. The show is on. And how about this guy in the trailer truck, turn it back up. Turn it back up, it's my thing. I better get out of the way here. Oh boy. Going around a circle here. This guy here I don't trust. Forget it. Why? What is he trying to do? You're not going to make the hill. Go back. Go back. Go up here. Come on back. Hey. Go up here. Go up here. Go around. Amigo. Hey. Oi. Come vai? Beautiful Navy, Motor Navy. Go over here. Go park in the drive over there, maybe. Go park in the parking lot. Hey, Marcel, he's never gonna make the hill. He's crazy. Woo. He wants to try to make the hill in his Escalade. Here comes some cars down to Franklin. They're braving a storm. A little wiggle there. Come on, go slow. You going down there? Say hello. Yeah, drive slow. They don't know to stay in this house. Look at this guy. He's stuck. You're stuck now. You're not going no place now. Huh? I'll see you guys later. Out the logo. Ciao. Let me go down Franklin Street here. Boy, my camera's getting wet here. What is this? The guy in the trailer truck is sitting here. I don't know what he's planning to do, but I think he's planning to get it moving and get down on Franklin. I don't think he's going to go anywhere. Oh, we got more. Wait, once this car swerve, it'll run me right over. We're going to... Walk over there. Walk in there. Where you from? Hey, Brazil! Hey! Oh, look at the cars coming. They're coming. Oh, got some wheels on that. Oh! No, let me break my way down Franklin. Oh, well, you never get a break. There's always clouds. Hey! Hello! You got plows coming. They might be. You get right behind them. And they might go off Franklin. Clear the way for you. Let me get out of the way. Yeah, we got a fire hydrant right here. Don't forget to shovel out your fire hydrants every snowstorm. Oh, the plow trucks are coming. Oh, he cleared the road for you. Another one coming. Good luck. I guess you get up there, you get right to Route 9, it's all clear. There we go. Let me go over Franklin Street Bridge. There's a new CX yard that they just opened about a year ago. Containers. Oh, let's see what that trailer truck buddy's gonna do. He's trying to, plows went by and he's trying to make it. He just needs to make it up into that flat top up there, and he's good to go. Look at that view, huh? And this is the famous David Clark Company again from this angle. This is how huge these buildings are. Look at them. There's the CSX yard on the other side. Way stations. Let me go over the new Franklin Street Bridge. Oh, look at the big machines. Big machines that pick up the containers. See those? I can't see them, but I can't see them through the lens of the camera. There's a car coming right now. And I don't care. Oh, more vehicles. What do they want to do? I must be crazy to walk over this bridge. I'm getting snow in the face. Hey, give me I need a beer! I'm dying over here! Come on! Oh! Who's that crazy guy? Who's that crazy guy with the camera? Moving kind of fast here, buddy. Oh, I gotta go across again. We're getting whacked. We're getting whacked. It's March 8th. We're getting whacked here. Oh. Look at that beautiful building. It's supposed to be doing it over. If I can see it through the lens. Yep. Boy, I'd love to own that building. I'd love to live right on the top. Have a big apartment. Oh, here comes the truck. Smoking a cigar and driving in a snowstorm. And there's the highway up there, if you can see it. It's kind of foggy too with the snow. Look at the 290 bridge. We got the CSX plows going on. Here we go down here. I'm making my way down into Franklin Street. Here comes another car. Oh, he's rolling, huh? Yeah, he should drive slow instead of me walking out of the street. He should drive slow. Here's the Franklin Street Fire Station. I guess this is known all over the world where the 6 firemen died. 6 brave firemen who got duped to go in a building when there was no people in there and they lost their lives. You know? But here the new fire station sits on it in memorial. It's great. Firemen are the best in the world. They will go in and get your cat if they had to. People wondering, who's this guy walking with the camera in the snow? Look at them, they're all driving. They shouldn't be driving. Oh my God. Well, what do we got here? Somebody already had an accident. Huh. Then we got a red light here. This is Washington Square. I don't know if we should go over and take a look at Washington. I think I'm going to just make my way back around. That's Franklin Street that goes downtown. The roads seem pretty clear over here. When I get on these back roads, it's crazy. Hey. There's the old Bona Fortuna Italian bar years ago. Used to be the boxing gym upstairs. I remember when I was a kid, I used to go up there and see the great Carlo Garcia train. Now it's a gay bar known as the Mailbox. And right next to it is the famous Fairway Beef. Okay? They've been around, I think, 80 to 100 years. My good friend George Seaver, the owner, loves the Red Sox, like I do. I don't know about lately. People are coming out, they don't want to stay home. There's Temple Street that goes down to the famous Green Street, Harding Street area where all the bars are. What do we got out in here? Look at the bridge. You know, this is where I usually park my car when there's big storms. See, there's no snow. When the storm's done, I just come down and get my car and pull out. Free parking. There's the famous Water Street down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going around a circle. I'm going to make my way up Grafton Street. There's somebody running over there. Jeez, I should have stayed on the back road. There was more action over there. Over here, people are just moving swiftly. Until we get up Gravity Street. Look at this trailer truck. I don't know where he thinks he's going to go. Huh? Hey, how's it going? Crazy, huh? Yeah, I'm going to walk on the sidewalk here. Look at this. I have to walk on the street, probably get killed. Enjoying the snowstorm?
Huh?
Enjoying the snowstorm?
Oh, yeah.
Where are you making your way to?
Huh?
Where are you making your way to?
I'm just speaking to the bus stop.
The bus, the next one's,
I know, I'm trying to stand still for a couple of minutes.
it's in front of Walgreens.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. Crazy, huh?
Huh?
It was supposed to be done a couple hours ago.
Yeah, it's not going to be done.
Nah.
Now, let me get these trucks over here. It's better to walk over here where we are.
Yeah.
Those trucks are...
I was just trying to stand on the street.
I don't even know if there's any buses.
Huh?
I don't think there's any buses.
Yeah, there is. I took one earlier.
You did? They're on the snow schedule.
Huh?
They're on the snow schedule.
Yeah.
So they'll be late.
March 8th, right?
On March 8th. You ever remember a snowstorm like this on March 8th?
April 1st. April 1st.
April 1st? I remember April 18th, 1965. It was my birthday. It was Easter Sunday. We were going to church. I was 9 years old. I slipped on the ice and sprained my thumb. How can you ever forget that, right? It was just like this.
What's the latest one we ever had around here?
The latest one of what?
Latest snowstorm.
Oh, I don't know. I just said April 18th. I remember.
May 10th.
May 10th?
1 year.
Yeah, I heard something the other day, May 17th, 1977. But I looked it up, it was 70 degrees that day, so I think...
No, it wasn't that. It was May 10th.
It was May 10th? I'll have to look up May 10th.
Yeah, go back and check it.
All right, let me roll here.
Me too. I've been out working since 4 this morning.
Oh,
yeah.
You better get home and get some sleep.
Well, no, I just talked to the lady. I gotta go all the way to that side of this Grafton Street. She got a snowblower, though, so I'll go do her driveway.
Really? How far of Grafton? The plaza?
Yeah.
It's a long walk if you have to walk it.
No, I'm going to go. I got an all-day bus pass.
Oh, there comes the truck. Yeah, you can have an all-day pass, but you don't have the buses are going to come. And he won't stop for you over here.
No, I'm going to be on that side. I'll go to where the bow shop is.
Walgreens?
No, after that. Carol's. Yep. This is beautiful, though. You know,
it's beautiful, but it's starting to feel wet snow, and it's not good. It makes the streets icy.
It's almost over.
I was just on the back street over there, stopping and stuff, and they're all sliding and
I just came off of Seymour. I just did a whole driveway over there.
Did you?
Yeah. But the plow came by. It's got to be this.
Plowed you right in. Plowed you right in.
Yeah.
That's what they do. That's what they're good for.
I told the lady, I said, I'll come back about 5, 6 tonight.
That's what they're good for. They're good for plowing you right in.
But they got to do what they got to do, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, look. Grab them.
I'll get in there.
Is that number 5?
Yeah.
He'll let you on. Tell him.
No, he knows me anyway. That's 16. Oh, that's 22, I think.
22?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's going up. He's going up Dorchester.
Yeah. You're having fun, though.
Yeah, I'm making a video. We got plows. We got people. Just don't want to stay home. This guy's going in to CSX yard. This is the on-ramp to 290. Oh, I don't even, how many times I gotta plow it? There's the off-ramp of 290, Grafton Street. This snow doesn't want to stop. haven't seen any accidents. My safety. Now we're on a main street Grafton. Oh, we're coming up to the famous Better Electric. Been here for a long time. Maybe 60, 70 years. Get all your appliances there. They've been here since I was a little kid. Oh, this snow's coming down, boys. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know I want to get a pint of schnapps over there. Or maybe I should wait till after. I don't know. Pint of Peachtree schnapps. Oh, here comes the bus. And they're running in a snowstorm. Number 5. Keep going. How you doing? How's it going? How we doing? You loving it? Look at this. Where does he think he's going? He's gonna get stuck? Somebody's getting out. They're both getting out. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, and a cop behind them. Oh, we got traffic over here like you wouldn't believe. Oh, here comes another bus. There's a bus coming out of... There's a bus coming out of there. I'm just wondering. Oh, here's that old access road here to the back of David Clark and all those other companies over to Suffolk Street and Vincent. One of the good buses. Number 1. Yeah, here we are on Grafton Street. Put this letter in the mailbox. Stopping over there. Oh, I got $6. We go across the street here. Traffic is snarled up. Must be because of that red light. Hey, this is my buddy. How you doing? What are you doing? I see you everywhere. Where are you going? Huh? Any luck on that I gave you? McDonald's?
I filled it out. I didn't get a response yet.
No? He'll call you. Monday, Tuesday, So let me close my eyes and wish for beautiful weather. Oh, look at this. It's March 9th, Saturday, 2013. The day after, it's 50 degrees. I don't even have any clothes on. No coat, no hat, nothing. Whoa, this is beautiful. Look at the traffic today on Saturday. Can't walk on the sidewalk. But I'm going to try to get across the street here without getting hit. What a beautiful day today. The day after the storm. This is unbelievable. There I go again. Isn't it something? A massive storm one day and the next day is beautiful spring. It's going to be like this all week. Yeah, go, go, go. Oh, my wish came true for beautiful weather. I'm walking up Grafton Street right now. Let me get on the sidewalk over here. Won't be able to go that far. The day after the storm. Look at this, huh? Beautiful sunny weather. There's Mendon Street up there. Some people still shoveling out, but like you can see the snow is melting. Isn't this funny New England weather? Look at that. Oh, how am I going to get through this? Tell me. Oh, we have a shortcut here. I'll walk right up to the top here. The rotary's right up the top. Look at how clear the sidewalk is. The snow melted. It was beautiful white yesterday, now it's dirty from all the cars going by. There's Cutler Street. Here's some kids playing in the snow. I know I ain't gonna get by. Yeah, you kids want to say hello to the world? Want to say hello to YouTube world? Didn't I tell you, were you the kids yesterday? I said it was going to be 50 degrees today? Huh? Was I right?
Yeah.
It's going to be like this all week.
Yay.
Yeah. This is what we want, huh?
Yeah. I can't wait until summer.
Summer. It's going to be summer all week. You watch. Look it. I got no coat on. Gonna play in the playground?
Yeah.
All right. Have fun. Look at this. My street's cleared. This is Wall Street. This is it. Wall Street. Look at it. Yesterday it was a blizzard. It was a mess. Today everything's melting. Huh. The water's dripping on the house. Look it. I know I hear it somewhere else. Is it right there? Oh, right there. Look at that. Alright, so we're going up Wall Street to my house. Let me get on the sidewalk over here. Unbelievable, beautiful day. Look at Branch Street. Snow melting. Let me go in my yard. Snow's all melting on the roof. And hear it dripping. Hear it going down the pipe, the drain pipe. Coming down on the ground. Melting at an alarming rate. Shovel a little bit this time. It's going to be 50 all week, so there's no reason this will all be gone. And what is this over here? At least we got a snowman. An ugly snowman out of the deal. Boy, is he ugly, huh? Somebody doesn't know how to make a snowman. I did the face and hat and scarf preparation. The ugly snowman. That is the ugliest thing I ever saw. Let me go up my back stairs. It's all clear. Look at this. Oh, now you can see the city. Let me go upstairs here and get a better view of the city of Worcester. Listen to that water. Listen to that snow melting. It's going right down the drain. All this will be gone tomorrow. Oh, let's say hello to the snowman again. Mr. Snowman. Oh, Mr. Snowman. Mr. Snowman. Mr. Snowman. There's the city. You can see it through the trees. I'd love to take those trees down. You see the big buildings? Clear, beautiful day. It is. Snow on the roof. That's the backyard. My stairs and my deck is all clear. It was mounted with snow yesterday. There's snow here, there's no snow there. Well, that's it. That's all, folks.